Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The governors of the 6 South-South states in Nigeria have collectively restated their readiness to work together for the economic and social advancement of the sub-region through the instrumentality of Brace Commission, a special purpose vehicle for member states established in 2011 to champion development of the region. Governors of Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross Rivers, Edo and Delta, who make up the Brace Commission states, made this known recently after his first meeting since the 2023 general elections held in Benin City, Edo State.
The 6 states of Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross Rivers, Edo and Delta that make up the acronym BRACED are all within the oil-producing Niger Delta region of Nigeria. Governors of these states in June 2011 breathed into life the laudable template for regional integration and sustainable development known as the Braced Commission. This was to provide a common platform for poverty alleviation, human capital development, as well as food sufficiency in the treasure belt of the country. Regrettably, years after its establishment, successive governments in the region lacked the political will to properly finance and utilize it for development and economic gains in the region, dotted with widespread poverty and infrastructural deficit.
At the point the crisis of the governor started in 2015, we were already said to be receiving assistance from some donor agencies for the implementation of some of the policies they helped us put together. But when after some years they just saw that nothing was coming from Brace Commission, no meeting, no this thing, and the new governors were not interested, they abandoned us.
Some concerned Niger Deltans observed that if properly financed and managed, the commission could undo the prevailing hardship and backwardness within the region.
Now that oil is almost being phased out, I think there is need to now focus on agriculture. It can create jobs for people. It can also make for export, and we get the required foreign exchange.
A working collaboration between the Niger Delta state governments, Braced Commission, properly funded, properly staffed on a sustained basis, working on a master plan for the development of the region will transform the region.
However, the new set of governors in the region, along with their old counterparts of Edo and Bayelsa state, met recently in Benin City, where they looked in the direction of repositioning the framework for the socio-economic advancement of the region. After their private meeting, the Edo State Governor, Godwin Obaseki, who was just elected to chair the commission, recognized the challenges of the region and stressed the need to pursue its founding objectives.
Foster regional economic cooperation and integration with a view to achieving sustainable development through the development of a strong regional economy for the collective benefit of the people of the South-South.
Obaseki-led team also made known the Commission's resolve to create a business-friendly environment through the inauguration of Brace Business Council, while making the need to keep tabs with the federal government for sustainable development of the region.
Collectively engage the federal government on the development of key infrastructure in the region, particularly roads, rail development, and the decentralization and rehabilitation of seaports in the region, as well as the management of security in the country at large.
Though many such meetings have been held in the past with lofty resolutions and action points amounting to no meaningful development, the people expect that this new crop of leaders would not just pay lip service to the prevailing socio-economic challenges of the people, but will forego their political differences and jointly pursue regional integration and development through the instrumentality of Braced Commission.
Inside the Niger Delta,